Friends, you have to take different parts of your hairs into your fingers and start braiding them like this as it is being shown in this video. As you can see, we have braided it in a very particular or a very specific manner. Don't forget to kindly note these steps that are being mentioned to get the desired result. As you can see, after doing that, we have made a perfect bun. Now you have to first make a ponytail and then divide your hairs like these. After dividing your hairs, you can simply start making a bun like this. After making a bun out of it, you can see that how wonderfully we are done with this. Now you have to take a ponytail and then in the rubber you have to insert your hair strands like this. After doing so, you can make a circular bun as it is being shown. You can make a braid and tie it in between. After taking the front ends of your hairs, you can simply make a mini braid or you can follow these steps as being shown in this video. You have to take the hair strands in this particular manner and don't forget to pay the attention. Thanks for watching.